Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a mail merge tutorial. Now, essentially mail merge is when you take a template, combine it with an address list, and basically print out mass-produce large amounts of letters. So, in English, those three things correspond to the three steps you see over here. So the main three steps when you're doing a mail merge can be accessed by going to the Mailings tab, and you'll see here that everything is grayed out. So basically, if a step is grayed out, that means that you haven't done the step before. So we've already started the mail merge. So under Start Mail Merge, we've got Start, Select, and Edit Recipient Lists. So because Edit and Insert Merge Fields and Preview Results and Finish are all grayed out, that simply means that we need to go to this next step here that's highlighted. Okay, so essentially, when you see a question, you will be given a form letter and you'll be seeing something that looks like this. Now, in your questions, you'll generally see something that looks like this, spelled properly, I'm sure. And essentially, this just is in place to represent what's called a merge field. So, when you recreate your own particular letter, or if you're typing into a letter, make sure that you use your mailings commands and do not retype it out like it is over here. Alright, so we've already started the mail merge. We're now going to go select recipients. We're going to say use an existing list. So if you say use an existing list, you then browse to where you've saved that particular address list. I've saved mine on the desktop. Select the file and go open. And there we go. Okay. So now that we have our address list, so we can edit it here. And from here, now is when we start creating the rest of our form letter. So we say insert merge fields, and there is our form. Remember, when I typed out initially, this is my merge field, and this is me typing incorrectly again. This is me typing out the merge field. It looks similar, but it's completely different. This icon here, as you see when I click on it, it grays out the whole range. If I click here, it simply highlights the text. So please remember there's a big difference between a merge field and a simple text. So the only way you're going to successfully do a mail merge is if you go select recipients and then insert the merge fields over here. To delete a merge field, you simply select and hit delete, or actually highlight and delete. Okay. So basically, what is a merge field? A merge field is a placeholder. So each time you put a merge field here, it's going to go to my address list and insert the relevant information per record. That'll make a lot more sense when I show you the final product, so just stick with me. So what I'm doing here is I'm saying dear space insert title data here space insert name data here, then space again and surname, and then I'm inserting the merge field. Generally you will get a printed document in which you can see where they want the merge fields to appear. Okay, so here is my short little letter here. Okay, so basically what we do next, if we go preview results, you will see it's converted those merge fields into the data that's inside the address list. Let's just see how it corresponds. So basically my merge field is saying whenever it sees title, it's going to insert this data. Whenever it sees name, it's going to insert this data. Whenever it sees surname, and so on. Okay, so this information typed into this table is going to be combined with my form letter here to produce the final letters. So I'm clicking preview results, and as the name suggests, that just lets you see what the actual final product will look like. So this is where you check, did I remember my spacing properly? Does it make sense? Are my fields coming out the way I want them to? And then we're okay. Now, you then say finish and merge. Because you're not going to print, you're going to edit individual documents and merge records. Obviously, if we just want the one, we'll say merge the current. If you want specific records, but now we're going to say all. Okay. Please note, it's changed from dir.docx to letters1. Letters 1 is if I switch on formatting, you will see each letter, so title, name, surname, campus, province, student number, and then section break next page. In your merged documents, each letter will have its own section. Okay. So that's how you know you're in the correct place. You will see as many letters as you have records. So just double check that while you're busy going. So 1, 2, 3 records, 1, 2, 3 letters. Now, when you go File, Save As, and save to your various drive that you're working on. And I will call it Merged. And save. So now we've got our merged letters. We can close that document, but we still have our template here. So now we go File, Save As, Template. Okay. So basically, step 1, 2, and 3 gives you 3 documents. Step 1 that I prepared earlier was creating the address list here. So you will have your address list, you will have your template, which looks like this, and you will have your merged documents, which is each letter on the page. Thank you very much.